Hello everyone. Today's Pandas interview question is that create a new column and name it investment amount in thousands and fill the values from investment amount in lakh INR column in thousand form in Shark Tank India all pitches data frame. So basically we have a data set which is there in a .csv file. It's called as Shark Tank India all pitches. So basically this is one of the most popular shows, Shark Tank India, and the data set consists about all the things regarding to that show only. And in that data we have a column which names as investment amount in lakh INR. So this is basically investment amount in lakhs. So basically lakhs is nothing but 100,000s. 100,000s equals to 1 lakh. The question is being asked to us that create a new column such that that column is holding the investments in thousands. So basically we have to take a value from this column in lakh INR and convert it into thousands and put those values into a new column, which we will name as investments amount in thousands. So let's see how do we do it. So for that, I'll import the necessary library. First thing, I'll import pandas. I'll say import pandas as PD. This pandas will help me in manipulations of the data. Now I have to take the data into my memory. So I'll just create a variable called df. So df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And then I have to take my data set. So I'll directly copy it from here. Let me just copy. And let me just paste it over here and I'll say .csv at the last. So let me just run my df. Now when I run my df, I could see that these are the certain columns of this particular data frame. And we have this investment amount in lakh INR column as well, which has 75, 45 and so on values. So we actually need to create a new column over here somewhere such that it takes the values from here and converts these lakhs values into thousands. So I'll show you two methods of doing that. The first method is, first what you need to do is you need to capture this column. So let me just do df.column so it will become easy for me. So these are the columns of the data frame. So all I need to do is to take my df, then bracket, then I'll select this particular column. Now this column is selected. Now there is one functionality, it's called as map. So what basically map does, that map takes a function and it maps that function to each and every element of the particular series. So basically if I just run this is nothing but a series, right? All these value, this df investment amount, this is nothing but a series. And this series has each and every element present in the form of numbers 75, 40, 25. When I apply a map function to it, so that function will get mapped to each and every element and the result will yield it out. So let's see how do we do it. I'll say dot map and parentheses on. And as I said, that map takes a function to map it to the each and every element. So we require to write a function. So I'll write a lambda function, and lambda function is one of the function which is written ad hocly, means it is written when it is required at that point of time itself. So right now we require a function which takes a number and it converts, as I told that lakhs is nothing but 100,000 equals to lakh. So basically if I just multiply each and every element with 100, we will get the 1,000 forms of it. So I'll just write a lambda function. I'll say lambda x, and then what I want to do, I want my x, that is like each and every element, to get multiplied with 100, right? That's it. And now because I have selected this thing, I want this thing to get stored in one new column. So I need to create a new column of the data frame. So I'll say df And what is the name of the column it is being asked? Investment amount in thousands. So I'll just select it from here, paste it over here. I'll say equals to. I'll just say for the simplicity, because there is one more method that I'm going to teach. So I'll just say _1 to it. And when I run this, now when I run my df.head, I see that one more column has been created over here. Oops, just a second. Yeah, as you could see, a new column has been created and its value is nothing but 1,000 forms of those lakhs. So if there is 75 lakh, there is 77,500 thousands. If there is 40 lakh, there is actually 4,000 thousands, like that. So this is one of the way of doing this thing. Now, the other way is simply you just take your column. So basically I'm taking my column like this. And simply you multiply 100 to it. Simply you multiply 100 to it and name it investment amount thousands. Now I will write 2. If you just run it, you'll see, if I just do df.head, you'll see that same thing has been created, and this time the lakh form has got converted into 1,000. So what has happened over here, that this 100 number has got broadcasted to each and every element of this particular column, and the result has came out, and we have stored that result into another column which is being called as investment amount in 1,000 _2. That's it. Thank you.